This is the COOAU, maybe that's pronounced right, maybe not, COOSPC06 action camera. 20 megapixel, does 4K video at 30 frames per second, and has Wi-Fi, external microphone, which when I was looking at these, a lot of them did not have that, and it does have a remote. So, and as all the others had, they were all waterproof. In fact, that was their main selling point, being waterproof. Since I cannot swim, I don't plan on diving with it. If for some reason this is attached to me and it's underwater, I have worse things to worry about than it actually being waterproof. Hopefully it would pull me to the surface. So, see what's in the box. There's the camera. It's actually much smaller than I expected. I really have no problem with that, as long as the quality is good. My reason for buying this is I wanted to run with it. Surprisingly enough, I have a lot of problems with people trying to run me over. Yes, attempted murder. But they see me and then they just want to jump out and block me or come at me. So I thought I'd get a little camera, and I noticed that there are vests that the GoPro attaches to, and these are compatible with most all GoPro accessories. So I'm going to try that. It's actually enclosed in its case. Let's see if we can open this and get it out and see how it looks there. Seems to be quite snug. So waterproof? Probably so. Pops out, and there's the camera. We have buttons here. This is not a touch screen. The screen is covered with the plastic. I'm not taking that off yet until I'm ready to actually utilize anything about the camera. So, microphone port. Get a little closer here so you can see. There's the micro HD. HDMI and micro USB and micro SD card. And from what I've read, it works with sizes up to 64 gigabytes. I'm actually going to try 32 with it because I have one laying around. Power button and a mode button, and then there are corresponding sealed buttons on the enclosure, waterproof enclosure for each button. So pop that back in there and seal that back up. That already has the bracket on it, so you can put it on your bicycle, which I may also do. And back to see what's in the box. There's another box in the box, full of goodies. A battery, which I guess would go through the remote. 2 batteries for the camera. They are 1200, and there's 2. So, and to charge these, you do charge them in the camera. There is a separate charger, I understand, that you can buy separately. USB cable. That's the microphone. Lots of, it's like a box of Lego. I don't know what all this stuff is. Oh, there's the remote. More bracketry. That actually looks like another back panel to the case. So, have that. More brackets to screw down. And more brackets. And one of the reasons I bought this one over the many other models is the fact that it has image stabilization, which while I'm running would be tremendous if it works well. We're still pulling brackets out. This looks to be another enclosure of some type. Almost looks like it might go on a gimbal. Okay. Yeah, more. And more. And we're still going. Oh, that would be a piece to go onto the handlebars of your bicycle. Looks to be a watch strap, possibly for the remote. Put it on like that. Wear it on your wrist. A carrying bag, which I don't know if I can get all of this stuff in here, but I will at least be able to get the camera in there, and I think that's what it's for. And some Velcro straps. A cleaning cloth with some zip ties. When all else fails, just zip tie it. No duct tape in here. So, okay, well, I'll get started with this and run it through its paces, see how it works, check the quality, and get back with you. So, thank you.